Pythons and anacondas are often confused for each other, and it's not hard to see why. They are both very long, powerful snakes that use ambushing and constriction to kill their prey and have no venom. However, when you look a little closer, they are very different reptiles. Still, we can't help but wonder which of these snakes would win in a python versus anaconda battle. Anacondas live in South America, and pythons have natural habitats in Asia, Africa, and Australia, making it unlikely they've ever been encountered in the wild. Still, with the way pythons are trending around the world, especially the Burmese python, it's only a matter of time before this showdown happens in real life. To make it a fair comparison, we're going to use data from a reticulated python and a green anaconda, which are the best representatives of pythons and anacondas. Take a look at which of these creatures has the best chance of surviving a fight with another. Anacondas are shorter, fatter, and heavier than pythons, but they are both aggressive predators that crush their enemies. There are other more subtle differences, such as how the anaconda's eye sockets are slightly higher on its head to allow it to skim the water while swimming. The primary difference between the two is that anaconda is much stronger. The anaconda is a large reptile with a diameter of up to 12 inches. That's huge. Snakes are not known for their speed, and they often rely on ambushes to catch prey. The python can hit a top speed of 1 mile per hour on land, and it can maintain that speed in water. Some pythons swim like reticulated pythons, but others don't swim much. Anacondas are slightly faster on land, running at 5 miles per hour on land. In water, where they spend most of their time, they can swim up to 10 miles per hour. Both the reticulated python and the green anaconda are constrictors. They use the same means to attack prey and kill them. The compressive strength of a python is about 14 psi, and that is enough to kill a human. They bite with their back mouth teeth to help them get their prey into their body. Anacondas have a squeezing force that measures 90 psi, putting much more pressure on their enemies than pythons. They can easily take down large mammals and fish. Their bite is similar to that of a python. Pythons can hide in water, trees, and rocks. Using its camouflage and size, it is able to avoid being hunted by others. The anaconda has a similar physical defense with caution. Its eyes are on the top of its head, which allows it to be more alert when in water. Physical characteristics are important to test between any two fighters, but one animal's ability to kill the other can tilt the tables in their favor. Watch how pythons and anacondas hunt and kill their prey and see who is better at their terrifying task. The python is designed to catch and eat prey. They have about 100 teeth that give a powerful bite, but it is not used to kill the enemy. It is used to curl up on them and roll over their enemy and kill them. Anaconda does the exact same thing, but has more crush force to finish the battle. The python is an amazing ambush hunter that hides in trees, near water, and other areas to find prey. They are very active at night and are highly capable of taking down prey several times their size, such as deer. Anaconda is very similar in its predatory behavior, the way it attacks its prey. It often attacks prey from water. An anaconda will win a fight against a python. These two animals are identical in every way except length, thickness, and weight, and we must use them to determine who would win if they faced off. Barring an attack by one or the other, the most likely outcome is that the anaconda and the python engage in direct combat with each other, biting each other in hopes of getting a hold of each other. The only problem is that the anaconda can be up to 1 foot in diameter, and it will be much harder for the python to bite and constrict something with that large frame.